Hello everyone, welcome back. So now we finished the first three chapter, which were business analyst introduction, the business analyst rule, also the difference between enterprise environmental factors and the organization process assets. Actually, from now we will start the knowledge area. So the first knowledge area will be need assessment, which is called business value assessment in the second edition of PMI-PBA Practice Guide 2024. But before I will start the first knowledge area, I would like to give you an overview about the main steps of business analysis. Actually, these steps can help you to understand the expected information, also can help you to implement business analysis steps in any industry, also in any organization. Actually, if you were assigned as a business analyst in any organization, so actually you have to start by identifying a stakeholder or key stakeholder. You have to start with identify the key stakeholder. Key stakeholder means the business people, the key cross-functional stakeholder, the department manager, the functional manager, and so on. So the first step again is to prepare a stakeholder register, which will include the key stakeholder and the main information about them. The next step is to assess the business value. How we can assess the business value? By returning back to a strategic plan and review the existing strategic plan of our organization. But take care that you have to ensure that the strategic plan is up to date. My question now is, if you didn't find organization strategic plan, what will be your next step? Actually, the practical step is to prepare a new one, or is to prepare or update the strategic plan for your enterprise or organization. The next step after you assess the business value is to assess the need assessment or business value assessment. The output from business value assessment will be the existing problems, which is the difference between the expected value and the actual value, also the expected opportunity. So the main output from business value assessment is to identify business problem and the business opportunities. The difference between the current state assessment and the future state assessment will be the gap analysis. So gap analysis again is the difference between as is, which is referred to the current state, and as to P, which is referred to the future state. After you prepared a gap analysis for your organization, you can go through the next step, which will be determine the most viable solutions. The most viable solution steps result on identifying a list of the expected solution to solve the problem or to exploit the opportunity. The next step will be perform feasibility study for the selected solution. The output from feasibility study will be the most viable solution or selected solution or recommended solution. After that, as a business analyst, you have to prepare a business case for selected solution. And the business case actually will be the main input for a project planning, for a project execution, and to develop a project charter or a program charter or portfolio charter. Business case is a synonym of economical feasibility study. After getting approval over business case, as a business analyst, you can start on a business analysis planning. Business analysis planning includes development of communication plan, development of business analysis plan, identifying the key performance indicator which will be used to monitor and control the business analysis performance. After finishing the business analysis planning, you can go through business analysis elicitation. The output from elicitation will be the requirement documentation or requirement package. This package will be analyzed through business analysis or through requirement analysis. A chapter. Through this chapter, we will develop the required models, identify solution design, select the final solution approach. In fact, the main output from requirement elicitation and analysis will be PRD document or SRS document. PRD is stand for business requirement document. SRS is stand for system requirement specification. The next step for your journey will be a traceability metrics preparation. Traceability metrics is a table connect between requirement and its origin. Also, connect between requirement and the business goals and objectives. Also, connect between requirement and the use case and the scenarios. In fact, if you apply predictive approach, your main output from traceability metrics will be requirement baseline. But if you apply agile approach, so the main output will be product backlog. After this step, a project manager and the product owner will implement our solution. During implementation, as a business analyst, you will evaluate the solution performance. Solution performance measurement will be an ongoing process during implementation and after implementation, which will be during operation phase. Actually, solution evaluation is a continuous process and a continuous task for the business analyst. So this is an overview about the main steps of business analysis. Actually, each step will be detailed out through our knowledge area. Thank you so much for listening to me, and see you in the next session, which will be need assessment chapter. Thank you so much and see you.